Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program. Today is 14th July. If we see yesterday's realized rainfall, especially heavy to very heavy, extremely heavy and heavy rainfall. So orange color shows very heavy rainfall, extremely heavy rainfall shows red color, and yellow color shows heavy rainfall. So yesterday highest rainfall reported in Madhya Maharashtra, followed by Konkan and coastal Karnataka, and accordingly Konkan and Goa reported heavy to very heavy rainfall at many places, with extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places, with value in Lonavala in Pune 24 centimeter, in Konkan Raigad 22 centimeter. Some other stations also reported extremely rainfall in Raigad districts and adjoining districts. In Goa, Paranam district North Goa reported 21 centimeter, in Mumbai Santa Cruz 14 centimeter, Kulava 9 centimeter, and other stations also in Mumbai like Dahisar, Mahalakshmi etc. reported heavy to very heavy rainfall. In coastal Karnataka, Uttar Kannada 22 centimeter, Chhattisgarh Sukma 15 centimeter, South Indian Karnataka Shimoga district 17 centimeter, Gujarat region Navsari 16 centimeter, Bihar Lakhisarai 13 centimeter, Kerala Kannur 12 centimeter, East Madhya Pradesh Niwari 14 centimeter, Southern West Bengal district Kalimpong reported 12 centimeter. In addition to this, yellow color heavy rainfall reported 7 to 11 centimeter at isolated stations over Uttarakhand, East Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andaman Nicobar Islands, and Arunachal Pradesh. Now these are the highlights. So we are mentioning two highlights. First is that isolated extremely heavy rainfall, that is rainfall more than 20 centimeter, likely to record over Konkan and Goa, Ghati range of Madhya Maharashtra during 14th to 16th, over coastal Karnataka and South Indian Karnataka on 14th and 15th, and over North Kerala on 15th of July. Monsoon is likely to be active in peninsular and adjoining central India during next 4-5 days. So under the influence of some synoptic systems, like monsoon trough is today in south of its northern position. There is a cyclone circulation over Gangetic West Bengal and adjoining areas of Jharkhand and North Odisha. There is a cyclone circulation over Nagaland. There is a cyclone circulation over over Gujarat in middle to upper levels. There is a offshore trough from South Gujarat to North Kerala, and there is a western disturbance over Pakistan region as a trough. So under the influence of these synoptic systems, heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places with extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places is expected today over Konkan and Goa, coastal and South Indian Karnataka and Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra, and heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected over Kerala, Gujarat region, Vidarbha, Telangana, North Indian Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha, and heavy rainfall is expected over Andaman Nicobar Islands, Tamil Nadu, Marathwada, Saurashtra Kutch, Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sub-Island West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Sikkim region. And tomorrow again the same episode likely to continue. In addition to this, North Kerala also likely to witness extremely rainfall, and heavy rainfall is expected to continue over Uttarakhand, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, East Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and also over Northeast India and Sikkim region. On 16th of July, again the same activity likely to continue over Konkan and Goa, Ghati range of Madhya Maharashtra, with the possibility of little reduction in the intensity over coastal and South Indian Karnataka and Kerala, with possibility of very heavy rainfall, and very heavy rainfall also likely over Gujarat state. Otherwise, heavy rainfall is expected over Ghati range of Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, North Central Karnataka, Marathwada, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, and over Northeast India, including Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. On 17th of July, the activity of intense rainfall likely to reduce little bit, but heavy to very heavy rainfall possibility again on 17 July over Konkan, Goa, Ghati range of Madhya Maharashtra, coastal and South Indian Karnataka, Kerala and Gujarat state, and heavy rainfall is expected over Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Vidarbha, Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan and Uttarakhand, and heavy rainfall also likely over Arunachal Pradesh on 17th of July. On 18th of July, the same activity likely to continue along the west coast, including Gujarati state, Ghati areas of Madhya Maharashtra, Konkan, Goa, coastal and south Indian Karnataka, and heavy rainfall over Kerala, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, East Madhya Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and East Rajasthan. And as regards fisherman warning, so fisherman warning has been issued for west coast for next 4-5 days, and for Bay of Bengal and some other regions of Arabian Sea also you can see from these graphics. Here fisherman warning has been issued. The graphics is given here with the appropriate legends, and these are fisherman warning graphics are available at our website and RSMC website also. You can go to Google RSMC, you can put, you will find out our website RSMC, and then you will see the fisherman warning graphics. So details also available at our website mosam.imd.gov.in, and we are regularly monitoring and updating information on our Facebook, X, Instagram. You can visit them and see our videos, comment on it. Thank you.